Hi everyone, my name is Abhilash, and I wanted to share my sad experience with Ola. This is all about how Ola driver cheated me today, and I don't want this to happen with you guys or anyone. So I'm gonna share my complete story. So I suggest you to please request you to share with your friends, family member, and your colleagues, so they will not get cheated like how I got today. So let me begin from the first. So I had left my car for second free service at Mahadevpura KHT motor. So I got a call around 11 o'clock telling that my car is ready and he asked me to come and collect it. So as you guys know, at this particular situation, wherein pandemic situation, it's really hard to it's kind of taking chance in going in bike or anything. So I wanted to take my wife also. So what I thought is Ola auto or a Ola mini cab is the best option. That's what I thought, and I made a mistake here. So I was checking for the ride, wherein I stay at KR-Puram Sigehalli, which comes under Basavannapura ward, and my destination where I wanted to go and pick my car was Mahadevpura KHT Motor Service Center, which is just next to the Decathlon Mahadevpura, or the Metro Grocery Center, Metro Wholesale Center. So that is where this particular location is located. And when I checking for the cabs, the Ola Mini was costing me 118 rupees, and then there was additional discount when I checked on the coupon section. So I've got additional 50 rupees discount on the coupon section. So total fare of that particular booking came up to 68 rupees, and I was really happy and booked it. So within 2 to 3 minutes, even the booking was confirmed. He called me and he checked me where the drop is. So I told him that it's in near Mahadevpura KHT service center. He agreed for that, and he came very quickly in 5 minutes. So wherein as I had Ola postpaid, wherein the default payment method went to Ola postpaid, because that is how I use to avoid making UPI transactions or paying cash or anything. So that is the benefit which Ola has provided, and I assumed that's for the good reason, and I used Ola postpaid credit. So he picked me, and we reached within 15-20, not even 15 minutes. I think we reached within 10-15 minutes. I think that's the maximum time. So I got down at my destination. While we traveling, he asked me the mode of payment. Okay, I hope they will come to know the mode of payment as soon as they accept the booking or while traveling. If not, that is a big mistake from backlog from Ola. I think they have to work on it. So then he asked me on the payment mode. I told him that I have selected Ola postpaid or Ola credit. So he agreed on that. Okay, and he dropped at the location. And what they do is, as soon as you get down, the cab drivers will gonna end the trip by just swiping on the screen or something. So he just swiped on the screen. I thought the trip was ended, and then I got down. I was in a hurry to go and collect the car and come back and have my lunch. So because I've taken my wife also, so that's the reason I was a little bit hurry. And sometimes you don't get the instant messages, instant alert also. So I thought he has ended the trip. I think that is my mistake which I have made, wherein their Ola drivers are so careless, and they took a chance to cheat me over there. So I got down, and as soon as I got down, I went to the service executive, and this particular service executive, he explained me all the bill, and where I went in search of my car. I got the car. It took almost 15-20 minutes. 15 minutes of the procedure, I think, over there. So then right after this, when I took my car, and I was just about to exit the premises of the service center. I got a message telling I have been charged 247 rupees, and I was really shocked because even a single rupee at this particular situation is really, really, really needful. And I just tried to contact Ola support. There's no response. I asked them to call back. I don't know. It's all computerized chat section wherein there is no human who can understand our feelings and respond to us. There is no number where we can contact them and talk to them over the call. It was very sad and pathetic experience. And then I tried calling on the same number. Initially, I got a call from Ola guy. So it was I think it's a fixed line number wherein it got connected to that particular person. So I just told him, I just tried talking to him, and he was listening to my voice. I did twice on this. He just, as soon as I told that that you are dropped or something, he tried to avoid and he disconnected the call. He didn't talk to me on the call itself. So I could hear that initially he told me that hello, even second time he told hello, then again he disconnected the call. So this is how he did. So let me tell you what cheating has happened with me. So as soon as I got down, he didn't end the trip. Okay, he just continued the trip, and he has accepted another trip which was going, I think, towards Tulip apartment, which is near Martali somewhere. Okay, and after he going to that particular location, then he has cancelled my trip. So instead of getting 68 rupees of bill, so the bill went up to 247 rupees. So this is how he has cheated me. I think like from here to go to that particular location, the fuel cost, whatever it has been, which will be deducted from it will be expense from the driver end. So he has just used this loophole. He has just taken a chance over here and tried to cheat me. So he didn't end the trip at the KHT Motor. He just continued the trip until his next destination, and then he has ended. So I tried contacting a support team. There's no response. Like I said, I tried contacting the driver also. Didn't happen, guys. So this is the experience which I faced today, and I really hope this driver, okay, definitely gonna cheat other consumers or customers like me, and I really don't want this to happen. So if you're using especially Ola, and especially the Ola prepaid, okay, or please make sure as soon as you get down, please end your trip. Ask him to end the trip and then get down from the cab, or else this is what will happen with you. In case if you're like selected UPI payment or anything, definitely they're gonna go somewhere else and then they're gonna end the trip and you have to pay the extra charges, guys. So Ola, if you're watching, please contact me. My booking right number, like the booking number was CRN 543959713. Okay, if you really want to help, and if you're really a genuine company where you really want your customers to come back to you and use your service again and again, please look into this issue and resolve this, and make sure you take a action against this particular driver, and check if he or any other driver has done the same thing, okay, by cheating the other customers and other users. Guys, if anyone has faced the same issue, please let me know in the comment section. So Ola, please look into the comment section if anyone is posting the same thing, and please step in and resolve the issue. So I had the similar issue with Uber, but Uber customer support is very quick, very responsive. Immediately they got my amount refunded. What happened was I actually selected UPI payment, but I didn't had cash. Okay, I told I'll pay by Google Pay. Then he gave me his Google Pay number. I made the payment. Right after that, still it was showing as overdue of the amount. And later I contacted the customer support and told them this is what happened, because I could talk to them on the call, and immediately they got this thing resolved. I could chat and talk to them. Okay, but in Ola, this is really pathetic. Being an Indian company, this shouldn't happen. You should be always first in serving the customer and helping in resolving our issues. So please look into this and get this resolved, guys. Please be very careful. Even if you're if they're deducting a single rupee without your notice, which is not happening, please make sure you take strict action, and please get back to the some of the portal, and please post that you have been cheated, and please get your amount refunded. So that's it. So if you think this video is useful, please share as much as possible with your friends or any of your family member or colleagues, and let's avoid this kind of cheating from Ola drivers. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll get back to you with an update. I'll wait for another 24 to 48 hours and see if anybody gonna get back to me and resolve this issue. Thank you.